something slightly different today. What I'm looking to do is install a new Neewer ring light. My videos like to concentrate on adventure, going outside, exploring, moving your body, but what I'm finding is I'm wanting to do more and more talking to camera. So in order to do that, I can do with a consistent light. I tend to opt for, as you can see, just using the natural light coming through the window, but that's not very consistent, and especially here in the UK we're starting to move more into autumn, so basically darkness from now until April. Without further ado, I'll open or unbox, that's a thing isn't it on YouTube, unboxing this Neewer ring light. So this was from good old Amazon. I'll leave all the links and everything in the description below if you want to click through, whatever. One thing I did find when I googled this, or when I searched through Amazon, there was flipping loads of them. So I got to a stage where I was just like, this seems like the best price. There was a bit of money off. There was a newer version of this which was slightly slimmer, but I think this was about £30 cheaper. So I don't know what I'm buying, so I went for this one. So we've got 3 boxes. I haven't found any instructions yet, so I'm guessing it's quite easy to put together, but you can laugh at me if not. Tripod. I mean, this one's pretty obvious what it is. Installation. Beep beep. Oh yes. Let me take a selfie. Right, let's put it together. So one thing I've just realised, which it doesn't really say in the instructions it does, but it's more my ignorance. There's one piece that's different, so it's got this bulbous bit, so that's fine. But what I've not done is overlapped. What I've not done is overlapped each section. So obviously that's going to give it like a uniform glow. So all I'd do is just take these 2 off and then just make sure they're overlapped. Again, small thing, me being ignorant. Whoa. There we have it. Obviously I need to get used to it. It looks like it's throwing shadows a little bit of ghosting, but overall pretty happy with it. The stand itself for the ring light doesn't seem the most robust. I've still got my SLR mounted on its own tripod, so you can see this is independent of that. But there is an attachment that you can put the phone on. So I think it'd be absolutely fine with the phone because it's a lot more lightweight. And ideal for if you're like a first time YouTuber or you're just doing like little things to camera, even things like Instagram or IGTV. I think that would be absolutely spot on. I think that's why a lot of people do it as well, those halos in the eye. Anyway, for the money, I can't complain. I think it's sound. I think they've got a good name. I think they get a lot of good reviews. Hopefully this has been useful to you. I'll let you know how I get on with it. Nothing more to say really. It's a light. There are some orange halos, but I quite like this crisp, quite clean light. It's nice. If you have enjoyed this, please feel free to drop a like, comment. Let me know if you're planning on starting your own YouTube or you're looking to buy one of these lights. I'm genuinely interested to know what you think, or let me know what you think my next piece of equipment is. I've got a microphone, but I think the next thing might be a lavalier mic, or I'm just playing, just enjoying, and I think that's the main thing. Learn by doing.